The straight talk. Understanding. To tell it straight. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that often pops up in conversations. To tell it straight. This phrase is a gem in English communication, and understanding it can really elevate your language skills. So, let's get straight to the point and explore what this phrase means and how you can use it effectively. When someone says they're going to tell it straight, they mean they will speak honestly and directly, without sugarcoating or avoiding the harsh realities. This phrase is all about delivering the truth, no matter how raw or uncomfortable it might be. It's a commitment to transparency and sincerity, valuing honesty over making someone feel good with a lie. In personal conversations, you might use to tell it straight with friends or family when you believe they need to hear the honest truth for their own good. It's a way of preparing them that what you're about to say is unfiltered and sincere, possibly about a sensitive or difficult topic. In professional settings, in work environments, to tell it straight can be used to give unvarnished feedback or opinions. It sets the stage for a conversation where constructive criticism is necessary, helping to foster a culture of openness and improvement. In a friendship, I'm going to tell it straight. Your behavior at the party was out of line, and you need to apologize. At work, let me tell it straight. The project is behind schedule, and we need to work overtime to catch up. In a relationship, we need to talk. I want to tell it straight that I'm not happy with how things are going between us. While being direct is valuable, it's crucial to consider your tone and the context in which you use to tell it straight. Being honest doesn't mean being harsh or insensitive. The goal is to communicate truthfully but also respectfully and empathetically, ensuring your message is received well and fosters understanding rather than resentment. To tell it straight is a powerful phrase in English that champions honesty and directness. Whether you're navigating personal relationships or professional environments, understanding how to use this phrase can enhance your communication skills significantly. Remember, it's not just about being honest. It's about being honest in a way that is constructive and caring. We hope this exploration helps you communicate more effectively and build stronger, more honest connections. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.